Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm giving a shout out here in the Northeast where it is raining like freaking crazy today. I swear to God. Like, it got so serious that these guys put up these sandbags in anticipation for the rain coming. And as you can see over there in the corners, that's actually water coming off the rocks, okay, floating into the river. So it's going to get pretty serious out here. So I don't know if I'm gonna be with you guys today because typically I'm never at home when I do my lives for particular reasons. I got roommates, so I don't want everybody know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I will be back with you guys sometime today, or if not tomorrow, depending on how the weather permits. I want to talk about Kwame Brown, a couple other things, and more importantly, I want to talk about a lot of motherfuckers is on my page going after Dr. Dre's daughter and sharing her GoFundMe. I was in homelessness, I'm still in homelessness, and I don't play it. $STRINGERBELL80.